Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. 2015 World Championship gold medalist Daniel Williams won the 100-meter hurdles at Friday's opening leg of the IAAF Diamond League Series in Doha, Qatar. Williams sped to a season's best 12.66 seconds to come away as the only Jamaican winner on the day.
Going well is Daniel Williams. McNeil starting to make her way through, but a great start from Daniel Williams. Also going well on the far side is Amuzan, but it's Williams who's coming through. Winning time 12.66, just outside the meeting record.
Now Commonwealth champions Janive Russell with 55.28 seconds ended fourth in the women's 400-meter hurdles, which was won by 2016 Olympic champion Dalila Mohammed in a meet record 53.16 seconds. And Natoya Gould, the Commonwealth 800-meter bronze medalist, faded into eighth in the women's half-mile event with 2 minutes 00.96 seconds, behind the South African winner Caster Semenya, who posted a world-leading 1 minute 54.98.